When people talk about entrepreneurship, one word comes up over and over again: freedom. Freedom of time, freedom of money, freedom of choice, travel, freedom to spend more time with family, freedom to stop answering to a boss. And honestly, I understand why that's appealing, but here's a question I think more people need to ask themselves: what does freedom actually mean to you? Because freedom looks different for everyone. For some people, freedom means being able to attend every one of their children's activities. For others, it's having the flexibility to work from home, anywhere. For some, it's paying off debt. For others, it's simply not feeling stressed every Sunday night before Monday morning arrives. The mistake many people make is chasing someone else's version of freedom. They see someone online traveling the world, someone else driving a luxury car, someone else posting pictures from exotic destinations, and they assume that's what freedom look like. But if that's not what you truly want, you'll end up building a life that looks successful on the outside but feels empty on the inside. Because before we build a business around freedom, we need to understand what freedom means for us personally. What kind of days do you want to wake up to? How do you want to spend your time? What relationships matter most? What experiences do you want to create? What memories do you want to make? Because at the end of the day, entrepreneurship isn't just about creating income. It's about creating options. It's about having more control over how you spend your life. And that's why I believe freedom starts with clarity. The clearer you become about the life you want, the easier it becomes to make decisions that support that vision. You stop chasing friends. You stop comparing yourself to others. You stop measuring success by someone else's standards. Instead, you begin building intentionally. You begin creating a life that aligns with your values. And that's where real freedom begins. Not when you hit a certain income, not when you reach a certain title, but when your daily life starts reflecting what matters most to you. Now, if you're ready to create more freedom, flexibility, and options in your life, send me a message. I'd love to show you a pathway that may help you build the life you've been imagining.